It is Farmer Friday, and recently Megan Ruther took a trip to the Iowa Distilling Company in Cumming to find out how corn plays a role in the business, plus some fun drink recipes to keep in mind for the holidays ahead. Take a look.
We are at the Iowa Distilling Company on location in Cumming today. We have Craig Floss with Iowa Corn joining us. This is such a cute place. I'm so glad we were able to meet up here.
This is really an awesome place, and I really appreciate the Iowa Distilling Company coming and helping us today talk about corn.
Yeah, how does corn relate to a distilling company?
Well, I think most people know that Iowa is the #1 corn producing state. Corn really is everywhere. And I think most people also probably know that corn is in all of our corn-fed steaks, pork chops, bacon, eggs, even ice cream, because all of those animals, all that livestock and poultry eat corn. But what they might not know is that corn is also in distilled spirits. And you find that with one of 4,000 different products in your average grocery store. And today, we're here to talk to Kyle about corn-based distilled spirits.
Yeah, Kyle Doyle is here with Iowa Distilling Company, and you all really love to support Iowa corn farmers.
Yeah, it is one of the base ingredients in a lot of our different spirits. And we're here in a 117-year-old building in Cumming, Iowa, and we're using corn based just from down the road in Ankeny, Iowa, to go into our award-winning bourbon, and then it goes into our vodkas and our grain-neutral spirits and everything. So it's one of the things that we depend on is good quality Iowa corn. And so we are thrilled that Craig thinks about us every time that he tips a glass.
We are too. And we can see behind you this awesome menu. You just came out with your holiday drinks made with Iowa corn, liquor from Iowa corn. How are you going to mix this up a drink? A really festive drink, right?
Well, we figured today was a perfect day to introduce our Jolly Holiday Martini because, well, it just seems to be perfect time for peppermint. Yes. And with the weather changing, we're figuring we need to warm everybody's soul up a little bit. So we're going to be using our gluten-free Iowa corn-based Zone vodka, and we're going to be mixing it with a little bit of peppermint, a little bit of vanilla, and then cream from Anderson Erickson Dairy fed with Iowa corn, right, Craig?
That's right. Every one of those dairy cows eats corn as the primary ingredient in their feed.
So today we're going to start off with a shaker cup full of ice, and we're going to put 1.5 ounces of ozone purified Zone vodka, made for a martini, but plays well with others. Then we're going to add a quarter of an ounce of vanilla, and this is just the type of vanilla that you can get in your local grocery store at Hy-Vee, Fairway, Costco. Normally going to be in the coffee section. And then you're going to grab the peppermint as well and do a quarter ounce of that. And then we are going to add that Anderson Erickson half and half cream, and we're just going to add an ounce of that. So it's nice and easy, right? That's not too many ingredients. Shake that up. And then get your favorite martini glass, made for 007 or anything like that, shaken, and then just pour that right on top. It's going to make a festive cocktail, but even to make it a little bit better, we're going to garnish that with one of those small candy canes.
Oh, how
there you go, Megan.
Adorable. That looks amazing, nice and chilled. You also have a Grinch-inspired cocktail too, is that right?
Yep, that one's just going to remind you of those nice warm days with a little bit of key lime in there and a little bit of coconut. It is one of those things that even if you're a Grinch, that'll make you a happy camper. And then Craig is also sporting our cinnamon old fashions.
I apologize, I drank early.
It looks delicious. It tastes delicious too?
It does, absolutely. I can really taste the corn profile.
Well, guys, this has been so much fun. Cheers to you on this festive holiday story.
Absolutely.
Salante. Cheers.
Yeah, salante. Cheers. Thanks,
Cheers.
Kyle.
Thank you, Craig. Thanks, Megan.
Oh wow, I need a drink of that Grinch, I think. If you'd like to become a member of the Iowa Corn Growers Association, you can call the number on your screen. That's 515-225-9242. For more information, go to their website. That's iowacorn.org. You can also find them on Facebook and Instagram.